Hi, I'm Daniel with Man's Mobile. The vehicle that I was working on was a '09 GMC Sierra that had a no-start situation. Sometimes the vehicle would start and run, but then it would die or stall out. Sometimes when you turn the key on, nothing would happen, only the check engine light would come on, but no other lights on the dash would turn on. And all of this was because of a damaged radio. And you can see how the vehicle is completely beat on, destroyed. This is a vehicle that's used at a steel mill, and this heavy concrete mixture compound just gets everywhere. From what I was told, it helps keep the dust down at the steel mill, but all of this metallic concrete material got into the radio and caused the radio to go bad, which was killing the entire network. Here's a very simplistic view of how a GM data network operates. So basically, all the modules, or most, are all connected to each other, and they all share the same data communication line. So when one module sends out a message, all the other modules on that line or communication wire will receive that message. Since the radio was bad, it was sending out so many garbled up garbage messages that all the other modules or computers on the vehicle couldn't receive important messages. Like, for example, the body control module couldn't receive a message from the theft deterrent module that it was okay to start the vehicle. So how do you tell if there's something wrong with the network? If you try and talk to all the modules on the network, you'll find that your scan tool says no communication. Now you have to find where the problem's at. You can disconnect the modules one by one until the vehicle comes back to life, or you can disconnect the splice pack, usually found underneath the dash on GM vehicles. The splice pack connects all the modules together on the network, and with disconnecting it, you're able to isolate each module and its network wire to figure out which module is the culprit.